Hi, so it's October, spooky season if you will, which also means it's the beginning of fall. So I live in Florida and the seasons are just barely a thing, but I still want to participate, which is why I'm turning into the ultimate fall girl for a day. I'm going to be glowing up fall style and also trying a fall thing that I've never done before. So I guess this is me in the before shot. Okay, let's get started. My nails looked crazy. I've never seen my nails like this. Oh my god. But after my appointment, I decided to go with like a multicolored fall theme nail set. I like it. I don't know. What do you think? I don't know why I'm out of breath. I literally just went from my room to my bathroom, which is like 2 feet away from each other. But yeah, during the fall time, my skin gets a lot more textured. I get blackheads around my nose and like tiny congested pores around here, like little whiteheads and just like tiny little things, which is super annoying because I already deal with like bigger acne on my cheeks. So I want to smooth out my skin before I do my makeup to make sure I'm the least crusty as possible. Step 1, pin my hair back. I couldn't find my headband, but my hair is clipped back. Today I'm using this Blackout Blackhead Clearing Scrub from C&C by Clean & Clear. I love this brand. It's so affordable and they're sponsoring this video today. So shout out to C&C by Clean & Clear. You guys know I love them. I've mentioned them in a couple other videos and on my Instagram. Let me wet my face. This isn't like other coffee scrubs that are like brown and chunky. Look, it's like this clear gel and it has teeny tiny little exfoliating scrub, which I like because I feel like the bigger scrubs kind of irritate my skin. And it smells like coffee, which is very on theme for fall, for this fall video. And it makes your skin really smooth, which is why I like it. The blackheads love this part of my nose. It does have salicylic acid in it, so my cheeks also appreciate it. Let me rinse my face. Okay, so my face is rinsed, feeling smooth and fresh and cold, which I like. I always like the cold feeling after you wash your face. Anyways, before we move on to makeup, I want to put you guys on. I want to put you on to something I've been using in my nighttime routine. It's this spot-on treatment for acne. At night, before I like put any of my moisturizer or anything on, I put it on my pimples. I've been using it on this one. This little like cyst cluster was like this big and super duper red and hurting me because I slept on my pillow. My skin is so sensitive. I know. But this has salicylic acid in it, so I've been putting it on at night and it tingles a little, but it does help with the healing process because I wake up in the morning and it looks a lot less irritated and red. I've been putting it on every night for like 2 days and it's definitely getting a lot smaller, which I appreciate. I'm hoping it'll be away by the time I get my next facial so I can work on scarring instead of acne. But anyways, but yeah, I just wanted to put you guys on to an affordable spot treatment because I know a lot of them can be a little bit pricey, which is why I don't ever buy them because... Let's move on. It's time to trick everyone into thinking that I have perfect skin and full brows and a natural burgundy lip. Step 1 is brows, so I'm gonna do that off camera since that takes way too long to do. Usually I show my whole makeup routine, but I'm gonna do like an updated fall makeup routine, so I don't want to spoil it. So you'll see me when my makeup is basically done and it's time to do all of the fall finishing touches. Okay, I did my base makeup and I can successfully catfish people into thinking I have clear skin. So now I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry so I can put on some lashes. Lashes are just the go-to for when you don't want to do eyeshadow but still want to like level up in how cute you look. So that's why I went with that because I feel like I just saw that today wasn't the best day to do eyeshadow since like I'm already tired and it's a rainy day, and if I just like messed up my eyeshadow, especially when I'm filming, I would just cry. So lashes it is. I feel like since it's fall, I'm obligated to wear like a darker lip, but I'm kind of scared of that because I don't know. I just hope it looks cute on me. I was bolder in my younger age, even though I'm pretty dang young, but in my younger age, I was definitely a lot bolder, and I would be like, heck yeah, I'll wear a freaking dark mauve. Suddenly, I have no idea what a fall color is. I don't know what a fall lipstick color is, so I am going to look it up. Brown, mauve, red, dark red. See, all things I'm very scared of. I kind of like this one the most. All of the words came off of this lipstick, but it's called Date Night from the Beauty Crop. I don't know why it looks so like that on camera, but like this in real life. I'm literally gonna scream. Colored lipstick is not for me. I literally can't do this. No. No. Okay, it's outfit time, which is arguably the hardest part of anything. So here is what I got so far. These black shoes, I wore them to BeautyCon. Don't look too close. They're literally so scuffed up. But yeah, they're like these little heeled, tie-up, combat-y looking boots with either light wash straight leg mom jeans or this color, like a medium to dark wash with like these little rips. There's like two that's kind of far apart on this side and then two that's closer together on this side. So can't decide on the pants and can't decide on a shirt. I literally have 0 shirt options. I feel like the darker ones, because like the rip, it really goes with the theme of these really dark boots. Now we need a shirt. I could go for like this off the shoulder bodysuit and then have like the black boots and like accessories, which is really basic of me, but it's fall, the time to be basic, where basic originated. I'm genuinely so energy deprived and hungry. I can't tell if this is a good idea, but right now in my headspace, this is a great idea. Let me get changed. Fun fact about me, my socks never ever match because I don't know why. I would love to match my socks. I really would love to be that kind of person, but that is not what the universe wanted for me. These shoes I wore to BeautyCon. These are half a size too small and literally crippled my feet for months. And I'm wearing them today. Zipper on the side. Oh gosh, I'm finally getting dressed so we can go do our fall activity. And I was thinking just put the jeans over. Yes, this is what I wanted. I can't believe I doubted this makeup. I feel like it definitely goes with this spooky fall theme. Go me. Hi, so I'm gonna show you this outfit full on in a mirror, but first, accessories. I have a hair accessory. I have these cute little tortoiseshell barrettes for my hair, and I'm gonna see if I can put them in like a cute way. If not, I mean like the middle part will work. I think maybe I look 5. Wait, I didn't think this through. I don't know how to get it out. Oh no. Okay, first of all, I like pressed it so hard that I clipped it in wrong, and I don't even know how to get it out like correctly. I will literally cry if I have to cut my hair to here. No, seriously, like I can't get it out. Let me get all of my hair out of the way. This is the part that's the problem. I'm literally never putting these in my hair again. I am so scared. I'm sweating. Okay, this is like real. I cannot believe this. Okay, I pulled some parts out through the top, which makes me happy. So it's just this part that I will be bald. Oh wait, oh my God, look. Look. Just this part I will be bald. Okay, I can literally live with that. Except for I can't. Oh my God, I have to get it out. It's stuck in like a rubber part, so I'm trying to pull my hair out of it without, okay. Okay. Abort mission, no barrettes. I'm not doing that. That was not fun. I was really scared that I was just gonna have to wait for my mom to come home and be like, pretend like this is the barrette stuck in my hair. I'm gonna go with gold jewelry today, and I have this ruby ring that my grandmother gave me. I love it so much. It's my birthstone. It's super cute, and it's so tiny it only fits on my pinky. And then I have this Pandora ring that's rose gold with these little diamonds on it that I bought for myself. Pretty cute and simple. Please ignore my lipstick stain. I'm also wearing this little star necklace that I got from Citrine, New York. It's such a cute, trendy brand. From my friend May, she is amazing. I love, you know, boss babes, women-owned brands, and she just has the cutest jewelry ever. And she gifted this to me, so I feel special. So the last accessory is this little bag from Angela Roy. It's so cute. It comes with like a longer strap, but I took it off so it can be more like chic and tiny. It's vegan leather, which is what makes it different. I thought that was like super duper cute. But yeah, I use this bag every day, and it just happens to go with this outfit. Okay, here is the mirror pic or video as I promised. That's my dog Raina. She's super cute. Black bodysuit, mom jeans over the boots, which are really cute. See, adorable. They're really high, not really high, but they're like past my ankle, almost to like the fattest part of my calf, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's a really basic fit, but I feel like it's fitting for fall and like spooky time, and for when it's like a rainy day like it is today. Okay, we're doing something I've never done before. I'm going to Starbucks and getting a fall drink and a fall snack, but there's one problem. I hate pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin flavor things, pumpkin smell. I don't think it's good. So naturally, I've avoided pumpkin things for my whole entire life. But I feel like I should just give it a try since I've decided I want to participate in the fall season. So I'm heading to Starbucks and we are going to try a fall drink. I just posted a like question thing on my Instagram story asking what's the best fall drink at Starbucks that's not bitter, because that's also another thing. I like coffee, but I don't like when it tastes a lot like coffee, because I like sweet stuff. I have a sweet tooth. We've been through this. So yeah, see you at the Starbucks drive-thru. Okay, I'm at Starbucks and I'm so nervous. I get nervous for literally the dumbest things, but like, I just don't know. What do I want to get? There's a pumpkin cream cold brew, and then there's like a pumpkin cream frappuccino, which is like my two options that I like narrowed everything down to. But I feel like cold brew means like coffee, like I'm gonna drink coffee, but like frappuccino is more like I'm gonna drink like candy, like sweet. I don't know. I really don't know. 1 second, please. Oh, I didn't ask for anything yet. I asked for a second. So I ended up getting the scarier one because everybody said that one was good. I got a pumpkin cream cold brew and a vanilla cake pop. Our conversation was already going bad, so I decided not to ask for like the cat one because I didn't want to confuse him more. Hi!
Hey, what's up?
I'm good, how are you? I know!
Yeah. Aren't you like blowing up on YouTube or something?
I'm trying.
You're kind of already. On Instagram and stuff.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it's kind
oh
of
my
awesome.
Gosh, thank you so much.
Was that it? Or...
There's a vanilla cake pop.
Okay, I'll get that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I know I didn't get a pumpkin themed food, but I got a vanilla cake pop to save me because, you know, I'm already trying a cold brew one and a pumpkin one at that, so I feel like I should have something to save me. It looks so, oh my god, wait, it smells kind of good. Look, it has like cinnamon on the top and it's like orange. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna freaking cry right now. I can't believe I'm doing this. This is so good. Are you joking? I'm so embarrassed. I like pumpkin things. This is just iced coffee with pumpkin yummy cream stuff on the top. Pumpkin is good. I can't believe I'm so late to this. Like literally 10 out of 10 recommend. That was so successful. You guys are literally watching me grow as a person because I never thought I would see the day that I would like something that's pumpkin flavored. Wow. Okay, one last sip for the camera. I like cake pops. They're just a little bit gross. I feel like it's just like leftover cake from like something. I don't know. Wow, what a turn of events. I am officially a spooky fall girl. I have glowed up mentally so much that I like pumpkin things. Thank you so much for watching this video and for watching me be ridiculous and try things that literally the whole entire population has tried a million years before me, but I appreciate you guys with my whole entire heart. You're my bestest friends on the planet. Some things to know. My merch is relaunched until October 24th. Butterflies by Raimi. Really cute hoodies with a really great meaning if you want to read about it on the website. The link is going to be down below. Follow me on Instagram if you want to. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Follow me on my other Instagram if you want to. I can't even talk right now. Follow me on Twitter if you want to. Oh my gosh, I have a scrunchie in here. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. I hope you enjoyed this glow up / being a fall girl for a day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!